Welcome to the June 2025 Market Outlook. This is a concise yet comprehensive update on the current economic landscape and what lies ahead. As we reach the midpoint of 2025, the global economy is showing signs of stabilization. Inflation has moderated in most major economies, and central banks have largely paused interest rate hikes. This signals a shift toward more neutral monetary policy, offering some relief to businesses and consumers alike. However, the outlook for the second half of the year remains uncertain. Geopolitical tensions, particularly in Eastern Europe and the Middle East, continue to impact global trade. The ongoing technology rivalry between the United States and China, along with rising protectionism, is straining supply chains and increasing production costs. Global economic growth is projected to slow to 2.4% in 2025, down from 2.9% in 2024. This slowdown is affecting both developed and emerging markets. Economies that rely heavily on exports are especially vulnerable, facing reduced demand, tighter financial conditions, and elevated debt burdens. Despite these challenges, there are emerging opportunities. The next wave of artificial intelligence adoption is expected to transform industries such as healthcare, finance, and logistics. Companies that successfully integrate AI and sustainable technologies are likely to outperform, making this a market that favors active investment strategies. Investors are advised to diversify beyond traditional stocks and bonds. Private markets, real assets like infrastructure and real estate, and targeted hedging strategies can help build more resilient portfolios in this evolving environment. Investors are advised to diversify beyond traditional stocks and bonds. Private markets, real assets like infrastructure and real estate, and targeted hedging strategies can help build more resilient portfolios in this evolving environment. In summary, 2025 is shaping up to be a year of two halves. The first half has been relatively stable, but the second half may bring increased volatility. With strategic planning and a forward looking approach, this year can also be one of transformation and opportunity. Stay informed, stay prepared, and invest wisely.